Question ko, Jada. Kumbaga, you're a good actress, di ba?
Salamat po.
Pero, kumbaga, ano masasabi yung good words sa sinabi ni Boss Vic sa'yo na parang you're the next multimedia star, di ba? Nainiling niya ka kala Sharon, kala Sarah, di ba? Anong masasabi mo doon?
Well, gaya nga po nung sinabi ko, and I'll never get tired of saying it, na grateful po ako dun sa kung paano niya ako naisip in that manner. And syempre to be even in the same sentence as sila, Tita Sharon and Ninang Regine and all of the greats, it really is just such an honor. I'm really honored to be thought of in that light. And I just want to make my Viva family and everybody else proud. All I can say is rest assured I will do my best and yung full commitment ko po dito po sa industriya ko at sa gagawin ko po with Viva.
Thank you, Jada, and congratulations.
Salamat po.
Thank you as well, Al.